Good morning. Today we'll discuss the program format of 8085 microprocessor. Program format. Program 8-bit addition. 8-bit addition. Now the program format. First column, starting address. Starting address. Second column, opcodes. Opcodes. Third column, label, and fourth column, mnemonics and operands. Mnemonics and operands. And fifth column, commands. Fifth column, commands. This is the format for 8085 microprocessor program. Okay, first column, program starting address. Second column, opcode. Opcode means operation code. Third column, label. Fourth one, mnemonics and operands, and fifth column, commands. Now to write the program for 8-bit addition, first MVI C, 00 end. This is for to save the carry. For that, to clear C register 00, and commands to clear C register to save carry. Now to write like this. Next, load the data address LXI H, 8300 H. Now to set data pointer where it is data available. Now to set the data pointer address. First data to move accumulator. For that we can use MOV A, M. Okay, get first data in A register, that is accumulator. Next, increment the address INX end. Increment memory address. Increment the memory address. Now the second data to move B register. Okay, get second data in B register. Data 1 in A register, the second data in B register. Now to add these two, for that we can use ADD B instruction. Okay, add A and B register data. Now to add A and B register data. After addition, to check result whether it is carry or not. For that we can use JNC, jump if result is no carry, jump to this address location. Here label we have to initialize here. Move, sorry, no carry means to store the sum 8400H address. Okay, now to check whether CY equal to 1 or not. Okay. If result is no carry, jump to this address location and to store the sum. Okay. Suppose result is carry means we have to increment the C register content single times. Increment INR C. After that, to store the accumulated result sum in 8400 and carry available in C register, move A, C. C register, that is carry data to move accumulator. Now accumulated result to store next address and alter the program. Now to check whether it is carry or not. Okay, and then increment C. If result is carry, now to increment the C register single times. Increment C register. Next, store sum in memory. Address 8400 and then carry to move A register. Carry to move A register. Next, store carry in memory and alter the program. Alter the program. Okay. This is the format to write the commands and mnemonics. Next one, label. We have to initialize like this: star, anything, loop. Okay, this is for just identification for to jump to blank. Okay, we have to initialize here in label column. The program starting address 8100. The program starting address 8100 and this is for data address and this is for result address. Here MVIC, 00. How many byte instruction? This is for 2 byte instruction. MVIC for single byte. This is for opcode and this is for 8-bit data. MVIC, 00, it requires 2 byte instruction. The first byte opcode, the second byte for 8-bit data. MVIC opcode. Now there will be a standard opcode sheet. Okay, in that sheet you just refer what is the corresponding operation code for MVIC. Now the code for MVIC 0E, comma, this is the opcode for MVIC and second byte 00. This is for 8-bit data 00. Now in 8100 address to load the 0E data, next address 8101 to load 00. Next address 8102 LXI H, 8300. This is for how many byte instruction? This is for 3 byte instruction. LXI H opcode related to 8 bits and 8300. This is for 16-bit address. 16-bit address, it requires 2 bytes. Total rebyte. LXI H, what will be the corresponding opcode? Now the opcode for LXI H 21, in 16-bit address, first we have to represent the least significant bit address 00, 83. Always first to represent the LSB address, next MSB address. This is for 8102 21 data and 810300 data. Next address 8104 address 83 data, and next address 8105. This is for 02 03 04. Next address 8105. MOV A, M. MOV A, M. This is for single byte instruction. Single byte means only opcode. Now MOV A, M, the corresponding code 7E. Okay, 7E means move A, M instruction. Now 8105 7E. Next address 8106. 8106 INX H. This is also single byte instruction, only opcode. INX H, the opcode 23. Now the 23 to store 8106 address. Next address 8107 MOV B, M. MOV B, M. This is also single byte instruction, only for opcode. Now the opcode for 46. Okay, MOV B, M 46. Next address 8108. Add B. This is also single byte instruction, only opcode. Now add B, the corresponding opcode 80. Okay, here all the opcode refer opcode sheet. Okay, next address 8109 JNC. Jump to this 16-bit address location. Okay, jump to here the 16-bit address. Okay, jump to the 16-bit address. At present, don't know the address for this address location. Okay, for that we can use for dummy address. Okay, JNC 16-bit address. This is for 3-byte instruction. The first byte for opcode and the remaining 2 byte for 16-bit address. Now jump to this address location. Now we don't know what is the exact address for this. Okay, for that we have to use the dummy address. JNC and 16-bit address require 3 byte. The first byte opcode JNC, opcode D2, we have to represent the 16-bit address. Now address don't know. For that we can represent XX, YY. Okay. After that we can fix the what is the exact address for here. Okay. This is for 098109 address and 810A address and next address 810B address. Next address location 810C. INRC, how many byte instruction? Single byte, only opcode. Now what will be the corresponding code for INRC? 0C. Next address 810D. STA 8400. This is for 3-byte instruction. STA opcode single byte and 8400. This is for 16-bit address. For that require 2-byte instruction. Total 3 byte instruction. STA opcode 32, comma STA the corresponding opcode 32, comma 16-bit address. First we have to represent the least significant bit address 00, comma next 84, and 810D load 32 and 810E load 00, and next address 810F load 84. Okay. Next address 8110. Okay. MOV A comma C. MOV A comma C. This is for single byte instruction only opcode. Now the corresponding operation code 79 for MOV A comma C. Next address 8111. STA 8401. This is also 3 byte instruction. The first byte opcode and the remaining 2 byte for 16-bit address. STA opcode 32, comma least significant bit address 01, comma next address 84. Okay, this is for 811 and this is for 8112 and this is for 8113 address. Next address 8114. HLP all. This is for single byte instruction only opcode. The corresponding opcode 76. Okay. Now, what will be the address for this address location? Jump. If the condition satisfied, jump to this address. Now the address is the corresponding address 810D. Jump to this address location. Now here we have to initialize 810D address here. First we have to represent the least significant address here. Instead of X, you have to write 0D, and instead of Y, you can write 81. Now here JNC 16-bit address. If the condition is satisfied, jump to this address location. Now address will be 810D. Okay, 810D. Here we can represent 810D address. Okay, 810D. This is for first we have to represent the least significant address here 0D. And then we can represent the most significant bit address. This condition satisfied, directly jump to this address instead of this one. Okay, and suppose this condition unsatisfied. Now to increment the C register content. After that it will store the 8400 address data and then carry data to move accumulator and then carry result to store 8401 address and all to the program. Okay, this is the format to write the any microprocessor program. Okay, the first column program starting address, second column opcode, third column label, and fourth column mnemonics and operands, and fifth column commands. Here address always to represent, okay, any address we have to first start with the least significant address here. After that we can initialize the most significant bit address. And here also first we have to start with the least significant bit address 0D and start with the most significant bit address. And here also first least after that most significant bit address. Any doubt? No. Thank you.